Okay, so something I've decided after much deliberation is to change the front end up here a little bit. This that connects here to the entire pipe system. Every time it takes a smash, I mean that already broke, and this is pushing back here. So to stop any of this from breaking anymore, I'm gonna cut it right here, and get rid of this front piece. And then I'm gonna replace all the broken parts with the same part from Losi. This is the front bumper skid plate and bumper support for the Rock Rey. And I'm going to be adding the T-Bone Racing TBR XVR front for the Losi Rock Rey. And this is a big, big out there style bumper. And actually, I'm gonna have to see how this even goes together, because maybe it replaces some of this stuff. Go up under here like that. Let's take this stuff apart and find out. So I'm getting rid of this though. Let's go ahead and cut that off right now. my first thought was to go with some 35 weight oil or something like that, but I don't know, I just have this feeling that I want to go real squishy, so I'm gonna go down to 27 and see what that's like. I might even go later on. I've got all the way down to 15 and 10 weight oil, but I don't, this thing's a little heavy for that. We'll see. Going through some of my old axial builder's kit stuff and finding a few things in the shock section that work for these Pro lines. So. Well, here we have the Losi Rock Rey with all its updates so far. I still have not upgraded the servo, waiting for that to come in, which means I have not opened up anything inside here yet. All of my mods have been exterior so far. Basically wheels and suspension. My camera card got full as I was going through this build. All I had left to do were the back tires, and I painted the body and did some cutting as well. For now, let's take a look at this thing. I really like this new bumper. It feels like it's going to be a lot better than what we had before on here. And this mounts right here, that comes with extra hardware so that you have longer screws so that you can mount that in on the metal plate. I feel like that's really going to be strong. And I don't know what this is, but it's a pretty like gooey but hard, and it's a lot like this kind of plastic here. It seems super tough. Yeah, it seems like it's going to do a good job. And I decided to cut the frame and not even deal with the frame part that comes out right here. And for that reason, that's the reason that I cut the body as well. It gives it kind of a different look. I don't know if I like it or not. I keep going back and forth trying to decide if that front end looks weird or not. So let me know what you think in the comments. Maybe I can put something in there if it does look weird, but I don't really think it matters because this thing's really fun to drive anyway. The top thing looks goofy. You know, it's just got this crook up thing. It doesn't match the rest of the body styling, especially after I got rid of that weird design, that hardcore design that was on there. It's all just one color now. So I just removed it and I added this netting. You can find it everywhere on Amazon, I believe. And I used this on one of my other trucks, so now that I used it here, I'm gonna have to order another one for that truck. I went ahead and used 27.5 weight shock oil all the way around. It's pretty gooey, and it's kind of the way I wanted it. I haven't had a chance to run this outside since I've done these upgrades. I'm just waiting to, so as soon as I do, I will get some video out there. And now I'm looking for a new place to mount this. I don't like where it was. The video came out looking like crap, but I think I was having some light issues. So we'll see, maybe I can get this mounted further up front up here so that we'll have a better view. And I'm excited to see this thing just go over bumps in some slow motion shots. I have a feeling that it's just gonna look awesome. These tires are gonna be so gooey. The articulation in high speed is gonna be gnarly.